You might think art block means something is wrong with you. That's a heavy thought. But often, what's happening is much simpler. Art block is usually low energy plus friction. Low energy can look like mental tiredness. It can look like decision fatigue. It can look like staring at your materials and feeling blank. Friction is anything small that makes starting feel slightly harder than it needs to be. The simple idea here is this: when energy is low, even small friction feels big. If your energy is high, a messy desk might not bother you. If your energy is low, that same messy desk can feel like a wall. So instead of asking, why am I so lazy? We ask, what friction is sitting in front of me? Here's how to see it clearly. First, separate energy from character. Feeling slow today does not mean you are undisciplined. It might just mean your brain is full. Second, notice the friction is often practical. Your brush is dirty. Your life is unorganized. Your idea feels too big. Third, understand that you don't need to fix all friction. You only need to notice one. For example, if you open your drawing app and think, I don't even know what to draw, that confusion is friction. If you sit at your desk and think, it's so cluttered, that clutter is friction. If you tell yourself, this piece has to be amazing, that pressure is friction. When you notice friction, something changes. The problem becomes specific, and specific feels lighter than vague. We'll move through this gently. First, we'll look at how art block is often just low energy. Then, we'll see how complicated systems quietly add more friction. Finally, you'll choose one friction, write it down, and place it near your workspace. This works because clarity reduces self-blame. And when self-blame goes down, starting feels safer. So instead of fighting yourself, you'll simply observe. If you've been feeling stuck and quietly blaming yourself, I hope this helped you see that art block is often low energy plus small friction, not a flaw in you. If you want me to guide you through the full step-by-step version of how to overcome art block, where I explain everything slowly with real examples, you can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. And it continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. Plus, you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including drawing, painting, and digital art. Before you go, leave a quick comment and share one small friction that shows up for you most often, because your comments help more beginners discover this video. And if you have any question, you're always welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching. If this brought you a clarity, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who feels stuck creating, and subscribe so you don't miss the next calm steps.